everybody! Welcome back to another delicious recipe video. If you're new here, my name is Marina and I'm from the fabulous Beverly Hills where I make delicious, nutritious and also health and food related videos. So be sure to subscribe for more informative content. Oh, and follow me on Instagram, okay? Today's video is all about the traditional apple crisp, which is perfect for a big family, a food gathering, or just for one person like me. All the traditional recipes contain butter, wheat flour, lots of added sugar, and you may be thinking, well, obviously, how else do you make a tasty dessert? But guess what? You can make a delicious apple crisp and virtually any other dessert without those ingredients. And I will show you exactly how. By the way, if you haven't seen my video where I talk about the foods that you are eating every single day, which are killing your health and your immune system, go watch it right after this. It is truly eye-opening. You will be shocked and disgusted with yourself. My recipe today is gluten-free, sugar-free, dairy-free, it's vegan, and it tastes better than any other apple crisp you will ever have. The recipe I'm about to show you is way better than the traditional. I know it sounds impossible, but stick around to the end and you will see how easy it is to make it. But before we get started, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps support my channel. And also, if you haven't done it already, be sure to subscribe for more delicious, nutritious, and food and health related videos. Alright, let's go make this thing. I'm freaking hungry. First, soak some dates. Dates will add the extra sweet, natural flavors along with the apples, so you don't really need any sugar or other sweeteners. All the exact measurements and instructions will be listed in the description below.
We can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us. Something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. This ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright. In time, my heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. It feels so right, it feels so right. And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying, there's no denying.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Definitely try this at home. It's so good. My favorite way to serve this is with some Greek yogurt. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.